Welcome everyone to our YouTube video on Make Money While Learning to Code. Today, we're going to explore various opportunities that allow you to earn money while honing your coding skills.
Why learn to code? Learning to code opens up a world of opportunities. It's not just about building software, it's about problem solving, creativity, and innovation. With technology evolving rapidly, the demand for skilled coders is higher than ever before.
The challenge is, many aspiring coders face a common challenge. They want to gain experience and build their portfolio, but they struggle to find paid opportunities without prior experience.
The solution to make money while learning is. There are plenty of ways to make money while learning to code. These opportunities not only provide valuable experience but also help you earn a living as you progress in your coding journey.
Opportunity 1. Freelancing. Freelancing basics. Freelancing allows you to work on short-term projects for clients around the world. It's a great way to gain real-world experience and build your portfolio. Platforms for freelancers. Popular freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients seeking coding services. They create a compelling profile showcasing your skills and past projects to attract clients. Types of freelance projects. Freelance projects vary in complexity and scope. You can find opportunities ranging from simple website development and bug fixes to more advanced tasks like building custom web applications or mobile apps. Tips for success. Deliver high quality, work on time and within budget. Communicate effectively with clients to understand their requirements and provide regular updates. Continuously improve your skills and learn from each project to enhance your reputation and attract more clients.
Opportunity 2. Remote internships. Remote internship programs. Many companies offer remote internship programs for aspiring developers. These programs provide hands-on experience, mentorship, and networking opportunities. Benefits of remote internships. Remote internships allow you to work from anywhere, providing flexibility and convenience. Gain practical experience working on real projects under the guidance of experienced professionals. Build connections with industry experts and potential employers. How to find remote internships. Explore online job boards, company websites, and internship platforms for remote internship opportunities. Tailor your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant skills and passion for learning. Making the most of your internship. Treat your remote internship as a valuable learning experience. Take initiative, ask questions, and actively contribute to projects. Network with your peers and mentors to build lasting relationships and explore future career opportunities.
Opportunity 3. Teaching and tutoring. Teaching and tutoring opportunities. Share your knowledge and expertise by teaching or tutoring others. Whether it's through online courses, coding boot camps, or one-on-one tutoring sessions, teaching can be a rewarding way to earn money while solidifying your understanding of coding concepts. Online course platforms. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses on coding topics of your choice. Identify areas where you have expertise and create engaging course content that resonates with your target audience. Coding boot camps. Many coding boot camps hire experienced developers as instructors or teaching assistants. Consider applying for teaching positions at coding boot camps to gain teaching experience and mentor aspiring developers. Tutoring and mentoring. Offer tutoring or mentoring services to students or professionals looking to improve their coding skills. You can conduct tutoring sessions online or in person, providing personalized guidance and support.
Recap. Today, we've explored 3 lucrative opportunities that allow you to make money while learning to code: freelancing, remote internships, and teaching/tutoring. Each of these opportunities offers unique benefits and challenges, but they all provide valuable experience and income as you continue your coding journey.
Take action today to start exploring these opportunities. Update your resume, create profiles on freelancing platforms, and apply for remote internships or teaching positions. Remember, the key to success is to keep learning, keep growing, and never stop pursuing your passion for coding.
Thank you all for joining today's video session. I hope you feel inspired and empowered to pursue your coding goals while making money along the way. Good luck and happy coding!